Hi, it's Fazana again. In this video, part 2 of vectors, we'll look at slightly harder questions. So I hope you've watched part 1 first. It'll make you more confident when answering these questions. Let's recap on the basics. Okay, so you know two lines with the same root. Yeah, so same root. Although we're going places, it's not the R-O-U-T-E, it's the plant root here. So if two lines have the same root, they're either on a straight line or they're parallel. Okay, so a lot of exam questions ask you to prove that these two lines are on a straight line or parallel, and then you've just got to find if they've got the same root. Okay, so here you could have 2a plus 3b, and this line could be 5a plus 3b. Yeah, because you know vectors denote direction and length. Yeah, so the direction make them either on a straight line or parallel, so that is the direction, and then the length is 5 lots there and 2 lots of a plus 3b there. Okay, yeah. Always remember, if you're going that way, then it'll be minus 2a plus 3b. All right, yeah. Okay, this one here could be 2 minus a plus 4b, and this one here could be 6 minus a plus 4b. Okay, and again, going in the same direction. All right, okay, so in its simplest way, if you had OAB, and OA is A and OB is B, and if they asked you to find the vector AB, then we don't have a vector represented by that line right now, so we have to go the long route. Yeah, so we'll go down from A to O, stop, have a coffee, and then carry on. Yes, or having a stopover. Okay, so if we're going that way, it'll be minus A, and then that way it'll be plus B. Okay, so you've got minus A plus B. Then they could turn around and say there's a point P here that's the midpoint of AB. So you know that's a half and that's a half. Yeah, and always the first part of the question, make sure you put the arrow, because if we were going that way, we'd be going BA, so then we'd have to change the signs, so it would be A minus B. Yes, so each one would have their sign changed. Okay, and then if they asked you to find OP, so because we've gone that way, we're going to go that way and then half of that. Yeah, so OP equals A, and then half of that and half of that. So then we've got minus a half A plus half B. It helps for the purposes of collecting like terms to put just a 1 there. So 1 minus a half is a half A, and then B's we've just got a half, and then we factorize it and we get half A plus B. Okay, yeah, as easy as that. Okay, so that's your basics. Let's work with that. Okay, vectors DF and DE are shown in the diagram below. Line PQ is 3 times the length of EF. So PQ equals 3EF. But we don't know what vector EF is right now, and PQ is the opposite direction. Okay, so we can now just rewrite it. PQ equals minus 3EF. Yeah, because it's in the opposite direction. Yeah, so we don't need that one right now. Okay, all right. Find PQ in the form MA plus NB. So EF is going that way. So let's say PQ would be going that way. It's 3 times the length. Okay, so minus 3 of EF. Okay, so let's find EF. So we're going to go that way and then that way. Yeah. Now be really careful. We're going minus that, and make sure it's in brackets. Yeah. So we're going EF equals minus 3A minus 2B. Okay, because when you expand it, you can see you're going to get minus 3A plus 2B. Yeah. And then plus 2A plus 5B. This doesn't need to be in brackets. Okay. And then when we expand it, we get minus 3A plus 2B plus 2A plus 5B. And now let's collect like terms. You've got 2A minus 3A, so that's minus A, and then we have plus 7B. Okay, now we just have to apply that factor to that. Yeah, so we're going minus 3, and then minus A plus 7B, and that will be PQ. Okay, so minus times minus is positive, so we have 3A minus 21B. Okay, so can you tell we've got it in the form of MA plus NB? All right, and if they asked us for the values of M equals 3 and N equals minus 21. All right, yeah, that's your answer there. Okay, yeah, not so bad. As long as you know the basics, you can sort of build on it. Yeah. Okay, I hope this is not too small for you. OAYB is a quadrilateral, and OA equals 3A. Okay, OB equals 6B. Yeah, we can see that. AB, express AB. So we're trying to find that. Yeah. So, okay, we're going to go there and then there. So we've got minus 3A plus 6B, and we need to factorize. So you've got 3 minus A plus 2B. Okay, and that gives you your 1 mark. Yay! Okay. X is a point on AB such that AX to XB is 1 to 2, and you know every time we have ratio we do our total, which is 3. So that means that's 1/3 of AB, and that's 2/3 of AB. Okay, sorry, I've got a really bad cough. It's been there for weeks. Okay, and BY is 5A minus B. Yeah. Prove that OX is 2/5 of OY. Okay, all right. We've got our sense of direction. So first we need to find the OX. All right. We found AB, so we know that's it. Yeah, and to play around, we don't use the factorized version. So we're going to do 3A. So let's go OX equals 3A. And having said don't use the factorized version, can you see that's 1/3 of AB? So if we take 1/3 of 3, we'll just get 1. Yeah, so all we have to do is copy that bit. Yeah, so disregard what I said previously. Okay, so you've got 3A minus 1A is 2A plus 2B, and factorize 2A plus B. Okay, now let's find OY, so we can see that's going to be 2/5 of whatever. So really, you can already see it. OY will be 5A plus B, yeah, which means it'll be 2/5 of 5, which is the 2. Okay, so OY, so we're going that way. Okay, and this time it's quite easy. We can use what we've been given. So you've got 6b and then plus 5a minus b. Okay, so collecting a's first, 5a, and then 6b minus 1b is 5b. And if you factorize, yay, we got our 5. Okay, so we've actually proved 2/5 of 5 equals 2. Yeah, just circle those. Okay, yeah, good, excellent. All right, I hope you understood that, because I'm saying excellent to you, not me. Okay. OAB is a triangle. OA equals 2A, OB equals 3B. Find AB. Okay, now these things should come a little naturally. So we're going the long way, so we're writing minus 2A plus 3B. Cool, got the mark. P is a point on AB such that AP to PB is 2 to 3, so total 5. So that one is 2/5, and that one is 3/5. Yeah? Show that OP is parallel to the vector A plus B. So we have to get that same root. Okay? Alright, so OP. Which way should we go? We've got the AB and we went that way, so we're going to go that way. Okay? So we've got, need some space here. Just go up there. So OP equals, so we've got 2A, and then we're going to find 2/5 of that line. Yeah? So on your side here, always have a side. We're actually going to find 2/5. Well, we know it's going to be a minus. So then you go, what's 2/5 of 2? And you can tell it'll be 4/5. Yeah, if you double 2/5. So you've got minus 4/5 A. And then we're finding 2/5 of the 3. So I'll just put the plus. Plus 2/5 times 3. Whoops, and you can get 6/5. Yeah? Plus 6/5 A. B. So I'm enjoying this fifths. It just sounds nice, yeah? Okay, can you see these are all fifths? And as I said, carry on the fraction form. So how many fifths are there in 2 whole ones? So you can tell it would be 10/5. So when you're collecting like terms, it's nice if they're all similar. So collecting A, you've got 10/5 minus 4/5. No, I'm just overdoing it. So you've got 6/5 A plus 6/5 B. And then when you factorize, you get 6/5 A plus B. Okay? And you can see it's got the same root. Yeah? All right. And it was so good, I have to write it twice. Okay, good. Next. OAB is a triangle. P is the point on OA such that OP to PA is 2 to 1. So again, total 3. So that's 2/3. And that's 1/3. Okay, good. C is the point such that B is the midpoint of OC. So we don't have vectors, so all we can write is a half. Yeah? Okay, so right now they give the vectors there rather than at the beginning. Okay? M is the midpoint of AB. Well, there we go. Some more fractions there. Yeah? All right? We're semi-prepared. Okay, so OA equals 6A. So OA equals 6A. In which case, we know that 2/3 of 6 is 4. So from O to P, is 4a, and then that will be 2a. Okay, so I'll just sort of circle them, so right now everything's just so close together. All right, OB equals 4b. Okay, so that's 4b, and b is the midpoint, so that means even that's going to be 4b. All right, yeah, now we're really prepared. Show that PMC is a straight line. Okay, so PM, and then C. Okay, sorry about that. It's really fun, actually. Okay, so PM, we don't know what AB is, yeah, because we've got to first find what AB is. Okay, so let's go there. So we've got AB equals minus, so we're going down there, so minus 6a plus 4b. Okay, and it isn't one of the questions, so we don't really have to factorize. Okay, so we'll just leave it like that. Yeah, okay, so PM, and because we've gone AB, always just draw the arrow that way. Yeah, so now PM will be going there and then there. Okay, so can you see it's good we've prepared, we've got the 2a there, and then half of AB. So minus, and then half of 6 is 3a, plus half of 4 is 2. Okay, so then you've got minus a plus 2b. All right, yeah. And now we have to find MC. Okay, and MC was still coming here, so we're going half of that, which is minus half of 6 plus half of 4b, and then we've got plus 4b. Okay, so we've got minus 3a plus 6b, and when you factorize that, you get 3 minus a plus 2 times 3 is 6, so 2b. Yeah, so can you see they've actually got the same root. So on a straight line. Okay, yeah, good. Okay, here's the last question. It's a good one. All right, quadrilateral of ABC shown above. OA equals 4p. Okay, so OA equals 4p. OB equals 3p plus 3q. So OB equals 3p plus 3q. And OC equals 6q. Okay, X is the midpoint of OA. So you know each one of these is 2p, 2p. Yeah, just circle it to make it look stand out. Y is the point on OC such that YC equals 2OY. Yeah, so really it's in the ratio 1 to 2. So total is 3, so that's 1/3, and that's 2/3. And again, we've got the vector, so you know that's 2q, and that's 4q. Okay, so YC is 4q. Express XY in terms of P and Q. Okay, so we're looking for XY. Okay, which direction shall we go? We can go there and then there. Okay, so remember that arrow is going that way, so we're actually going minus 2p, and then we're at O, and then we're going that direction, so plus 2q. Okay, yeah, and we'll just factorize, so we've got minus p plus q. Okay, show that BC is parallel to XY. So that line there, yeah. Okay, let's go for it. How do we get from B to C? Oh, that one's quite easy. We'll go right the way down and then that way there. So we're going the opposite direction. So as long as you remember, when you're minusing it, make sure it's in brackets. So minus 3p plus 3q, and then plus 6q. Okay, so minus 3p minus 3q plus 6q. So we've got minus 3 p, and then minus 3 plus 6 is plus 3q. Okay, and when we factorize, we get 3 and then minus p plus q. Yay, they have the same root. So parallel. Okay, yeah, good. That's all for now. I hope you found these easy to work through. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments section, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, okay? Keep practicing. It's so worth it. And you guys are so brave. And remember, you're in control. Take care. Bye.